Hello guys, welcome to Udemy SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. In this tutorial, we want to talk about scale and follow me option. These options are really useful in the 3D modeling and different type of modeling which you've done with the SketchUp 2025. So in this case, I want to start my job with the scale option. First of all, I'm going to draw some rectangle in here, 1, 2, 1, and I'm going to extrude it 1 meter. I'm going to click on it and make a group in here, and I want to start my job with the scale option for resizing, stretching, or distorting geometry. So I'm going to click on the scale option. When you click on the scale option, all the available vertices and nodes which related to the resizing activated for you, and you can see them in your screen very simple and easy. For example, you can rescale in different directions like that, diagonal, or you can click on it and stretch it like this. You can stretch it on the blue axis like that, or even stretch it on the red axis like this. But if you want to resize it totally and, for example, make it double size, you can click on the scale option, hold this edge, left click, and move your cursor like that. At the right side bottom, you can see the scale box. If I type 2, it means that 2 times it be bigger than the original one. And if I type 10, it will get bigger 10 times. So it completely depends on you how you want to work with this option in SketchUp. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z on my keyboard and changing back to the original mode. I'm going to select all of it, make a group in here, and sometimes you can create new shapes with this scale option, but it is very low and rare in SketchUp. Why? Because you can't do some parametrical designs like the 3D Studio Max in SketchUp, but if I explode this object in here and hold Ctrl on my keyboard, select these edges like that, and click on the scale option, if I rescale it like this, for example, 0.25, we create a new shape like that, something like a star, and you can see what will happen in your job. I can select it, make a group, and take some copies, for example, 1.4. Sometimes I need to flip or mirror my objects in SketchUp. For this reason, we have new item in here, which name is flip or mirror selected entities. I'm going to click on the flip option. 3 axis points like the plane will be activated for me. Green one, red one, and blue one. I'm going to click on the red one, and it will be mirror for me like that. Very simple. I can select both of them and take some multiple copies in different distance, for example 4 times, something like this. We can generate these type of models with the scale option, and we can resize our projects. For example, I can click on it, scale, and reduce the size of it. For example, 0.5 in a scale, and press enter. It means I want to have it. So next item is the follow me option. Sometimes you need to model a profile during a long distance of the pass. So I'm going to draw my pass at the first. I'm going to click on the line option, draw some line with some different dimensions, it doesn't matter, like this. And now I want to click on the rectangle tool and draw my rectangle like that. For example, 0.1, 0.4, or 0.4, 0.1, something like that. I'm going to extrude it 0.4. And now if I select all of these lines, click on these option here, which name is follow me option. If I click on the follow me, now I only need to select my profile. My profile is this face in my model. So I'm going to click on it, and it will be follow the path and create a 3D model in the project. Very simple and easy. Or you can do this work. I have this path in here, and I'm going to click on the arc option here, or 2-point arc. Make this edges more curved. click on the eraser, like that, 2-point arc, like this, like this. And now I'm going to draw my profile in SketchUp with using line option. Now I'm going to select my path in here, click on the follow me tool, and it will be follow the path like this. Very simple and easy. You can click on it, make a group, and take some multiple copies on the blue axis, for example, 0.4. And only because we want to review the actions in the SketchUp for modeling, I'm going to show you another time how we can take a copy. I'm going to click on the move option, press Ctrl on my keyboard, copy activated for me. Now I'm going to use this edge and I'm going to take my own copy like that. And I need, for example, 10 copies. So I'm going to type 10x and press enter. As you can see, we create this type of shape and profile in SketchUp. Very simple and useful. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If this tutorial is useful for you, please follow all the practices and structures. See you in the next session. Goodbye.